So you want to swap images at runtime. That's what setBrush does. Now to show you how to swap the images at runtime, first let's add the image to a canvas panel. And what I will do is I will anchor it to full screen and remove the offset to 00 and turn this into variable. Now as I do this, I would like to show you it's how you change visuals without rebuilding the widget. Think switching icon, item art, or ability status. It's all possible by doing this. And for now, I'm gonna take a random image. You can take whatever image you like, but for now, I'm just taking a random image. Oh, battery is low. No issue then. So I'm gonna take a random image, and now I'm okay. I forgot to is variable. Yes. Now I will take a to the use a graph, and I will drag this to the graphs like this. And what I will do here is I will drag. Wait a minute, guys. I will drag and type in set brush like this, and its target is image. It's always target should be image. If it's not image, then it will make you a big problem. And I'm going to add a delay of about 5 seconds, and I'm going to again type in set brush. Now you will see we are not getting that because we are not dragging it from image. So its target this time is border. It's not the image. You can see it here, right? So now after the delay, I'm connecting the shed brush like this, and we will promote this to a variable. Now this is image one. So I'm going to promote the next one also to a variable to set, to actually swap between two images again and again and again by putting a delay of 5 seconds, or we will reduce this later. But for now, let's just say we will take a duration of 5 seconds each, and it will swap again and again and again. And now after we compile it, we already have an option to put image here. So again we are going to put a random image like this, and to the second one again we are going to add a random image for let's just add whatever we find first. So yeah, I'm gonna so what's gonna happen here, it's gonna swap between these two images. So as soon as we press begin play, you can see we have a random image like this on the screen, and after 5 seconds we swapped it with the another one, and again after 5 seconds we will go to previous one, and then again after 5 seconds we will go to the new one. So it's a very basic node. You can of course change the timing. I told you that we will change to 1 second to see it in action fast. So it's a very simple node, but it is super useful in various scenarios. And hey, if you like seeing these nodes in action, check out the game I'm building, Reborn the Evil Being. It's all blueprint under the hood, and the demo is free to play on Steam. Hope that helps, and as always, I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you around.